Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create portfolios to track projects on Asana. So let's dive right in. Firstly, sign into your Asana account. This is important because you need to access your dashboard, which is essentially your command center. Now that we've done that, navigate to the sidebar and select Portfolios. This is where you can track all your projects in one place, giving you a bird's-eye view of your work progress. The reason we do this is to make it easy to create a new portfolio by clicking on the plus New Portfolio button. A pop-up will appear where you can name your portfolio and add a description if needed. This step helps us because it allows us to name our portfolio relevantly, making it easier to find later. Next up, add the projects you want to track by clicking on Add Projects. Type in the name of the project and it will appear in a drop-down menu. Click on the project name to add it to your portfolio. This will help us keep tabs on our project's statuses, deadlines, and priorities. Now, let's arrange these projects by priority. Click on Sort and choose the sorting criteria. This helps us because it allows us to see at a glance which projects need our immediate attention. Once you've added and sorted all your projects, hit Save. This final step is important as it stores all the information you've just inputted. And that's it. Congratulations, you've created a portfolio on Asana to track your projects. Remember, portfolios are a powerful tool to keep your projects organized and your team aligned. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy tracking.